Hey guys, I get asked all the time what the difference is between the blood hormone panel that we run versus what the blood test that a general practitioner runs. And at the end of this video, you're going to understand what an anti-aging clinic typically looks at when they assess their client. I'm Brian Burk, and I'm the founder and CEO of Rewind Anti-Aging, and we're based in Miami. Welcome to this beautiful setting. We're very fortunate to live in a warm climate where we're out and we're active, and we try to be as healthy as possible. I'm going to hit you with some shocking statistics right now about the overall health of America. Right now, it's estimated that over 65 million people are considered obese, and over 90 million people are considered overweight. 20 million people are considered to have thyroid disease, according to the American Thyroid Association. According to the New England Institute of Research, about 25% of all males over the age of 30 are considered to have low levels of testosterone. There are over 30 million people who are suffering from diabetes, and it's estimated that about 90 to 95% of those are type 2 diabetes, and so those would be treatable. What we do at our clinic is we take a look at hormone levels, and we try to identify any type of areas where those hormone levels are suboptimal, and we break that down into about 5 different categories internally. So it's important to understand how all of these different categories impact your health. The first category I would classify as the sort of anti-aging / performance hormone related, and they're androgenic in nature, and they also help with fat loss. So we take a look at testosterone level, free testosterone, sex hormone binding globulin. We take a look at IGF-1, which is an indicator of how much growth hormone your body is producing. We also look at DHEA, which also impacts your body's ability to build muscle. The second category are hormones that impact females. So as females are becoming perimenopausal or they're postmenopausal, they deal with a lot of issues like mood swings, hot flashes, lower energy levels, and weight gain. So we assess those hormones as well. We also take a look at your cardiovascular health. So we take a look at your lipid panel, so cholesterol levels. We take a look at C-reactive protein, high sensitivity, which is a cardiovascular inflammation marker. And we also take a look at hemoglobin A1C, which is a long-term blood sugar average. The next area we take a look at are vitamin related. So we take a look at vitamin B12, we take a look at vitamin D, which both of those hormones are very important to your body's internal processes. And the last category that we take a look at are general health related areas. So we take a look at your kidney function, we take a look at your liver enzymes, and then we take a look obviously at your red blood cell count and other blood related markers. The next area that we take a look at is your thyroid levels. So thyroids are considered your body's thermostat and furnace, and they really impact your metabolism and how your body expends and burns energy. So as I mentioned earlier, about 20 million Americans are considered to have some type of thyroid disease. And often we find even when people are not experiencing thyroid disease, they still may have sort of suboptimal levels of their thyroid hormones. And we can, in a natural way, positively impact those. And so that's what we take a look at when we come up with our personalized assessment for our clients. What we're very good at is identifying any areas where someone is deficient, and then we come up with a game plan to address those deficiencies. And as our clients optimize their hormone levels, they see dramatically better health. If you like this video, please share it, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram. We have a lot of informational videos that will be coming out in the future to help you improve your health. I'm Brian Burk, founder of Rewind Anti-Aging, and I will see you at the next episode.